So today's my last day in Bacolod City, and my flight is later on at 6 p.m., 6:40 p.m. around that time. It's about 11 a.m. So I still gotta grab a couple of things before I go home. Right now it's raining. This is gonna be a little tough with the rain, the weather, the traffic. I wanna be able to finish all the shopping and then come back and pack all these things. Cause look at this. Yeah, so I gotta clean this up, fold, clean all this stuff. Yeah, I am ready to go back. Go back home, go to work. I'm ready, man. I'm ready. But I gotta make sure I gotta get my stuff. All right, let's get our stuff. Hello, Len. Lakata?
Ano naman na so?
Lakata?
Malutoy.
Main drive lang ta?
Dugay na. Hindi sa ulan pa oh.
Late ko karon.
Madiretso lang ka sa madiretso ka sa BPI?
Pwede man. Bongbong. There's still a lot of things I gotta do. I really don't want to do this packing thing. This packing thing is not really my thing. It's not. You get. I always need help packing. This is the hardest part in the whole world.
Oh, gaya pa day. Day yung uga.
Uga, dried fish.
Ne?
Always packing for other people, but never for yourself.
Packers.
Never for yourself.
Ganda packers ka.
Almost done packing. That should be just right around the weight limit. I think we're doing good. We're doing good. We're doing good. We getting there. We getting there. Bye.
Wait, kiss na. Sige, hindi makaukan sa dulce mo.
Dalaan ko.
No.
Ari bababa, Lord. Ari asa gamay di yung packet. Ara da mga bulong. Pero hindi kasi giigam wala kaya na yang igam ka.
Why? Where na kami nabilan?
Okay.
I'm in a terminal now, waiting for a board flight early in the morning. So tired, just so tired. I gotta get some sleep, man.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Changi International Airport. Local time now is 22 minutes past 9 in the morning and there is no time difference between between the Philippines and Singapore. The ground temperature is at 25 degrees Celsius.
Alright, I'm outside. It's getting easier. We do this thing, baby. Alright, we gotta go grab one of these bad boys. Actually, this one over there. Oh, there's mad plants inside. Neat. But that went a lot smoother. Anybody could come here with any type of vaccination status. It took about like 10 minutes to get out of here. It all depends what country you're coming from. The US and the Philippines, you don't need a visa. All you really gotta do is fill up the Singapore arrival card and a health declaration. It went pretty smooth. So I'm gonna go meet up a friend, drop my bags off at their place, and let's see what Singapore got for us, baby. Hello, sir. How you doing?
Oh, serious, huh?
Yes. Thank you. I'm here, baby. Alright, currently I don't know where I am. This is a friend of mine booked me to their spot so I could drop off my bags. Yeah, man, it's exciting, man. Hassle free at the airport, clean as I expected it to be.
Hey, no.
MRT nigga, right? Thank you. Oh. Well, here we are. See Lions Park, baby. This is Merlion Park. Alright, this is Merlion Park. Probably so much better during the night. But I gotta leave before the night hits. Ah! I almost got hit by the bite. There she is. Dapat ako dili ba? Yeah, look at all these people. Every picture ganun nga sa inyo.
됐어. 서은아 이제 이렇게 받는 거 해봐. 오케이. 손좀 올리고. 손좀 올리고.
Serious. Amanang ano? Central? It's all central. Merlion thingy and the thing.
Alone, one.
Kumain tayo na. Wala.
Presentation? No. Or tour? Yeah. Okay, this one.
Beef, rice, perfect looking thing. Beef steak.
That's crazy. Subway's like an airport in the big. That's wild. Can't find the MRT. Talk about Singapore again. When you come here, you better come here at night. when there's lights. There's a little bridge up there that you gotta pay for. I take better pictures up there. So ganda. Ano yung bridge ka on? It's Purple Bridge from Garden Bay, whatever. Amo ni under sa ano? Marina Bay Hotel? Wow. We're under the Marina Bay Hotel, baby. Ah, casino tayo. Casino tayo. Sana all. Good time. I only had like a 12-hour layover. Took advantage of most of it. Got to see all the most iconic monuments and sites. 7:30 right now. My flight when the departure flight is around 10:20. I don't know if I get a seat until around an hour before. So around 9 o'clock, 9:20. That's when I find out if I'll get on the flight or not. And I haven't gone to the Jewel yet, and I want to go check that out. Let me go and show you guys the Jewel in Changi Airport. We're at the Jewel, baby. Let's see what we got.
You rockin' with it, put your hands up. It's the anthem. If you get up and get it, put your hands up. This the anthem. If you rockin' with it, put your hands up. Yeah, this the anthem. If you get up and get it, put your hands up. Yeah, this one for the winners if you with me. Yeah. Hands up in the sky if you feel me. Yeah.
Opposite of where I was standing from. It's a different view. The other side.
My word, that's what I stand on. Loyalty and trust is what I stand on. Family and love is what I stand on. Talking big, big. I knew that one day that I could make it big, big. I'm talking how to stay smoking without a sissy. Now we get up and do it like we got a big rig. It's getting serious. I know you're curious. See some losses through the process.
Alright, I went to the bottom level to actually see where the actual water goes down to. Alright, let's get it up close and personal, baby.
Put your hands up, yeah. It's the anthem. If you get up and get it, put your hands up, yeah. This one for the winners if you with me, yeah. Hands up in the sky if you feel me, yeah. This one for the winners if you with me, yeah.
The breeze here feels amazing, man. I can't believe it's an actual airport. As cool as this experience was, I still gotta check in. Hopefully I make the flight, baby. So let's go back to check in these bags. Look how heavy the bags that I got. I still gotta check this in. I'm gonna carry that with me, and I'm gonna carry that on with me. The bag is pretty heavy. This is about 70 pounds. It's really hard to say that this is not the best airport I've ever been in. It's hard to say. Been a lot of airports. I've been walking around the wrong floor this whole time looking for the bridge, trail bridge, back to the Terminal 3 where I'm supposed to check in. So I just realized that, and I'm going back there right now.
This the anthem. If you get up and get it, put your hands up, yeah.
Okay, we did it. We got our bags checked in. We're now ready to go to security. heading to my gate right now. What was odd was I don't think my bags went through security at all. Like they didn't go through that scanner shit. I don't know if that's normal here, but I thought that was weird. I don't think I remember getting my shit scanned. So the way they did it is they checked the bags through security during boarding. Different.
I take you there tonight. Wanna take you out of places